Hi guys, it's Precious from Southside, and today I will be teaching you how to make duct tape roses. All you need are safety scissors, a pencil, and some tape. First thing you do is you get the tape and you cut like a little square, so about this big. It's not that big. And then you'll take one of the corners. So I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to put it, actually I'll show it this way. I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to put it down the middle. And it should look like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but somewhere like this. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And I made that one really bad, but luckily, so it should end up like this. Uh-oh, now you're showing it. You see? Yeah, I messed up on this first one, but I can still use it. So then what you do is you grab your pencil. I'm gonna use this side of the pencil. You could use the eraser side, but I don't really want to like mess up the eraser, and there's other pencils, and I'd rather keep the eraser. So you grab your piece and then you just stick it on just like this, and then you put one side around and then you put the other side around, and that's how you start it. And then when you make another one, you put you just put it on wherever you want it to. Actually, not everyone's roses will look the same because it's however you like it. And eventually you start out small, but if you keep adding more pieces of tape, it'll end up like this. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I know I really did. I love making these if I'm bored, and especially since we're stuck at home, might as well try something new, right?